The pens that many of you have been waiting for, the EDC ink pens now made from incredible titanium. Never be caught without a pen again. The EDC ink pens are ultra compact, rugged, and designed to always be with you. I really love the reaction I get every time I show off the seamless joint where the cap meets the barrel of the pen. It really is fun to see their amazement. 2 years ago here on Kickstarter, I launched the original EDC ink pens made from stainless steel and have sold thousands of them. Unfortunately, they've been out of stock for some time, since I've been busy with my last project, the Pocket Bolt pens. So I can't wait to get production of these new pens underway. If you're not familiar with titanium, it's an incredible metal. Due to its lightweight, strength, and toughness, it's used to build spaceships and the most advanced fighter jets. Titanium also has another very unique property. When it's heated to very high temperatures, the material's surface transforms into incredibly vibrant and beautiful colors. All of these unique characteristics makes it the perfect material for an everyday carry pen. The titanium EDC ink pens come in 2 sizes. The T1 is the smallest, most compact version, and is perfect for jotting down a quick note or capturing a quick idea. The T2 is a little longer, and is better if you have larger hands or plan to do more writing or sketching. Both sizes use the same standard D1 refill. This standard refill is made by most of the major pen manufacturers and is easy to find. Your pen will ship with the Auto Black ink refill, installed and ready to use.
When you can't sleep, no one can. And without a full night's rest, you're just not yourself. That's why Eversleep is here to help. Eversleep is a highly specialized sleep tracker that provides sleep lab-like data and powerful customized coaching tips to improve the way you sleep. Whether you struggle with snoring, sleep apnea, restlessness, or even just staying asleep, Eversleep guides you to a more complete and restorative night's rest. Unlike other sleep trackers, Eversleep generates simple-to-understand measurements to help track trends in your sleeping patterns. Eversleep's app stores your data in a personalized sleep profile you can even share with your doctor. It's the affordable option that provides advanced results without the hassle of insurance, prescription visits, or overnight stays. Sleep comfortably with Eversleep.
Eversleep is an affordable home health device that gives the power of a sleep lab in your house that you own and you can use night after night, but more importantly, it gives you actionable coaching.
Rather than go to a sleep lab and find out you don't have sleep apnea and spend thousands of dollars on seeing a doctor and getting the test, we kind of help walk you through that process for a really cost-effective price.
When you use our app, you'll find that while we've talked about lots of data points and science and sleep science and the like, we've really tried to take all of the math and embed it into the coaching so that in plain English you get the results.
My hair looks great for about the first 10 seconds after I leave the house. But after the wind, static, and other elements get to it, it's a mess. That's where the Go Comb comes in.
The Go Comb is a credit card sized comb that fits in your wallet in any credit card slot. I invented the Go Comb when I was out to dinner with my uncle, and he pulled out his wallet and there was a 5-inch black plastic comb awkwardly hanging out the side. So I thought, why don't we design a comb that fits in the wallet?
Heather invented a simple solution with the Go Comb. It's easy to freshen up anywhere you are and not have plastic protruding in your pocket, catching lint and other things you don't want in your dew. Plus, the smooth finish is gentle on your scalp, which makes this a perfect accessory for parents who want to keep their kids' hair untangled while they're out and about. Each has a vintage travel look and feel, and they're decorated with a variety of designs, so it's a great accessory for men and women alike. And for you fellas with facial hair, the stainless steel fine-tooth Go Comb will keep your stuff straight. The Go Comb, it keeps your hair looking good and stays out of your hair the rest of the time.
Here's my Neptune Hub. It can make calls, send and receive messages, browse through news feeds, track fitness stats, and much more, all directly on my wrist, all on its own. Here's a pocket screen. Much like a mouse, a keyboard, or a monitor, This pocket screen is simply an interface for my hub. It's not very smart. It doesn't need to be. If I need a bigger screen, I can grab a tab screen. Or I can plug it into this keyboard if I want to be more productive. I can even use this dongle to turn any existing TV into another screen for my wrist. Now that I'm always using the same computing hub, I can start an application on one screen and seamlessly continue it on another. If I lose a screen, no worries. It has none of my personal stuff. And because these screens are inexpensive and can be everywhere, all I ever need to carry is my hub.